Hey guys, how's it going? Last night between the early hours of 1 and 2 AM, I couldn't sleep, so what did I do? I binged watched a bunch of old Mars Bar Vlogs content. Now, for those of you who've been around forever, you guys should know that I love Mars Bar Vlogs, especially his old content, but there was one thing that always made him stand out from the crowd, and that is that he would do these little DIY things in his videos. So today, I thought we'd do just that. But we're not going to be building a setup in my car. No, we are going to be building an overhead rig. And the best part is, if you're a video fanatic, then you most likely own all of the things we're going to use today. Let's go. So, what are we going to need? First of all, you need a tripod. Everyone has one of those. Easy, simple, basic, done. Second, you will need a slider. Third, you will need a background like this. Nice wooden desk. Fourth, you will need a light source. Now, this can be natural like the one I'm shooting with now, or you can do what I recommend and set up some proper lighting. That way, you're just gonna get the best results. So yeah, those 4 things are all you need. You don't need to crawl through a DIY store for once. You don't need a work light. Have you guys noticed how like every single DIY video equipment setup has one of those work lights in? Because I have. Okay. Let's build this setup and then I'll show you what it looks like, because I always think a visual demonstration is much easier to follow than just me talking into the camera. Okay, so once you've got your camera, tripod, and slider set up as you normally would, tilt it so it is face on for your top down, tilt your tripod head down, set up your shot, and you're done. Now, the beauty of this setup is that you still have a fully functioning slider above you, so you can get some really unique looking shots. And this is all with stuff that you probably own if you are a video fanatic. Now, if you're not a video fanatic and you're just getting into it, a tripod, a slider, and a camera, obviously, are all essential pieces of video equipment you will need sooner or later. So this setup pretty much works for anyone. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then smash the subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10K by the 1st of April, so every single subscription is massively appreciated. I'm done for now, and I will see you soon.